This contemporary house presents an environmentally sensitive architectural interpretation where materials and spaces are designed to establish a harmonious relationship with nature. The design approach positions the house as part of the landscape, not as a standalone object. Wood elements serve as the primary language that binds the entire composition, creating a warm and grounded impression from the first glance. From the exterior, the facade displays a blend of clean lines and natural textures. Wood is used not simply as a cladding, but as an element that shapes the building's visual character. Its natural color and grain allow the house to blend with the surrounding vegetation, creating a smooth transition between the built space and the natural environment. Entering the interior, open spaces are arranged in a flowing flow without rigid partitions. Social areas such as the living room, dining room, and kitchen are interconnected, forming a spacious and flexible whole. Large glass openings strengthen the visual connection to the exterior, allowing maximum natural light to enter while expanding the perception of space. Wood again plays a significant role inside, present in the floors, walls, and furniture elements. This material not only provides visual continuity from outside to inside, but also creates a warm and comfortable atmosphere. The combination of wood, glass, and more solid structural elements creates a balance between warmth and boldness. Furthermore, the connection with nature extends beyond visuals. Design strategies, such as cross-ventilation and roof shading, help create natural thermal comfort. Air can flow freely, while overhangs protect the space from overheating, making the house responsive to the climate without relying entirely on mechanical systems. As night falls, the home's atmosphere becomes more intimate and serene, with warm lighting gently radiating from within. Controlled artificial light highlights the wood grain, creating subtle shadows that enhance the interior's visual depth. Large glass openings now act as dark frames that reflect light from within, while also revealing the silhouettes of the landscape outside. The terrace and outdoor spaces remain vibrant, illuminated by dim lights that blend seamlessly with the surroundings, creating a tranquil yet warm atmosphere, a natural transition from the openness of day to the intimacy of night. Ultimately, this house represents a more connected way of living. It is not just a shelter, but a space that allows residents to experience the daily changes in light, air, and natural atmosphere. Through an honest approach to materials and space, this architecture strikes a balance between function, aesthetics, and sustainability.